G'day guys, we're in Traviston, or just outside of Traviston on the Sunshine Coast, and we're here at the 9 Mile Cobb & Co campground. We're not staying here, we've just come by this, but it looks absolutely fantastic, so thought I had to shoot a quick video for you and show you what it's all about. There's loads of camping area and heaps of fun stuff to do. So some signs here, generators allowed up until 6 p.m, no chainsaws, and all the rest of the basic stuff, but you'll see there's lots of fire pits here, and this is a campground just here on the right hand side. I'm going to take a walk up the path here. I'll be back with you in a sec. So here on our left you'll see there's a boat or a little ship for the kids to play on. So it's a campground there on the left. Plenty of fires going on. There's tents, there's caravans. More campgrounds here on the right. And each of the campgrounds has toilets. So here on my left is a number of tents all set up for glamping. There's fire pits. There's a fire pit there. And they do Cobb & Co rides on horse and cart. Here it comes back in now. Also heard some guy with a whip just there just before as well. Hi, on. You can see there's more caravans over on the left there, so the grounds swing all the way around. Reception here on the right hand side. Some pretty cool looking toilets and showers and things all through there, and you'll see through here some large campground. Cost to stay, looks like they're all unpowered sites, and it's $15 per adult and $10 per child. You see there's a bit of a flying fox here on our right. So there's heaps to do for the kids. Loads of fun. Further down, kids are kicking soccer ball. You can see here this set up here for the kids to ride their bikes and climb over and just generally have a great time. So as I mentioned, this looked like a fantastic little campground, and couldn't miss the opportunity to take a video. More camping over there on the left, and you can see there's a fire going there, and that goes on right throughout the park. Certainly a spot I'd love to come and stay sometime if we get the opportunity. You can see the toilets are just straight through there. What a great setup, loads of fun for all the family. Sorry it's a little bit dark, but it's only 2:30, but it's a little bit dark here this afternoon. Fantastic spot, looks great, and hope you enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you soon.